everyone, it is Couponing with D. Welcome to my channel if this is your first time here, or welcome back, familia. I am going to do a CVS run. As you can see, I am on the go. This is how I was used to doing all of my deals. As I work, I go ahead and stop and coupon, but I am off today, so I decided to go and run around. So if you want to see how I get all of these items for little of nothing, probably $5, stay tuned and watch me.
All right, family, here is the first deal that I'm doing. I am going to pick up 3 Pantene. This is the shampoo, conditioner. I'm picking 2 of these up and 1 of these up. They are priced at $15 this week, and as you can see, they are part of the CRT. Spend 60, get right, family. The next deal I'm doing is on herbal essence. This week they are 2 for $12. As you can see, they are also part of the spend 60, get $15 off. They don't really have anything that matches in here, shampoo and conditioner. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up this one here that does match. All right, family, this is my next deal. Garnier Fructis. This week they are 2 for $7. As you can see, they are also spend 60, get back $15. Then my next deal, which is already in my cart, is on the Head and Shoulders Supreme. This week they are buy one, get one 40% off. And as you can see, it's still under the spend 60, get 15. Now, I also want to show you that I picked up 2 of the Clairol Nice and Easy. They are $8.49 at my store. This week you buy 2, you get 3 extra bucks.